welcome to my healthy food quest. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make stuffed chicken breast with spinach, bucatini pasta noodles, and a homemade spicy marinara sauce. This dish is perfect for date night. So grab a glass of wine, thank you for watching, and please enjoy. For this dish, you're going to need chicken breast, bucatini pasta noodles, spinach, homemade seasoning blend, chanterelle mushrooms, black garlic, shallots, red, orange, and yellow bell pepper. Okay, so I prepared the spinach ahead of time, and this is 5 ounces of spinach. And all I did was drop this spinach in boiling water for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then I drained it, and then this is how it looks. Now we're ready to stuff the chicken breast. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to cut a hole in the side of the chicken breast, and you want it to be the length of the knife. So all you're going to do is just cut a hole all the way in to the length of the knife. Okay, I think that's good. The way to check, you just put your finger inside. So you see the hole, and then from there you stuff it with the spinach. Just gonna stuff it in there. Okay, so now we're ready to season the breast. So make sure you have a nice clean bowl. I'm gonna put the breast in. Do the first side, and you flip it over. Do the other side. The chicken breast is ready to be sauteed. So I cleaned the cutting board and I'm ready to chop the veggies. So now we're ready to cut the peppers. So you only need a piece of each. So it's good. It's 1, 2, 3. Now we're ready to drop the pasta in the water. All right, so these are bucatini noodles, and they're a bit thicker than spaghetti. So you only need, I would say about 20. So this should be good. Since the noodles are thicker, it's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to boil. So now that the pasta is boiling, I think I deserve a glass of wine. My favorite sound right here. All right, so this is called the owner's pour. And because I own the place, this is the big pour. Cheers. It's really good wine. Okay, so the pasta is finished. I drained it, it's al dente. So what we need to do is add a little bit of oil and seasoning to the pasta. So here I have some sage oil. a little seasoning to it. Then you just set this aside because we're gonna toss this in the pan later. First step, add the oil to the pan. Okay, so the oil is ready. We're gonna add the chicken. Okay, so you wanna cook the chicken breast about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And then you put the cover on it, and then the steam will cook the inside of the chicken. So it's been about 4 to 5 minutes, and the chicken is ready to be flipped. So we're gonna check underneath. That beautiful crust right there. So we're just gonna put the cover on it, and then we're gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the chicken breast is ready to come out. Just put it on the cutting board and let it rest. This right here is called fond, and this means base, and this has a lot of flavor in there, and we don't want to waste it. So we're actually gonna cook all of our vegetables and the pasta in this same flavor. We're gonna put the peppers, shallots, and then we're gonna add our chanterelle mushrooms. Now we gotta season our vegetables. It's a light layer on the top because the fond has some seasoning in it already. Now come look at that. Okay, so now we're ready to plate, but first I need to clean up and I'll see you guys soon. Now we're ready to slice the chicken breast, but first I have to make sure my knife is nice and sharp. So here we have a spicy marinara sauce, and if you want you can buy store-bought, but it's better if you make it at home because you can control the process and you can put anything you want inside of the sauce. Okay, so now we're ready to slice the breast. Gotta be very careful. So when I slice like this, I get about halfway down, I put my finger on the other piece to hold it so it doesn't break apart. All right guys, the moment of truth. Let's see how beautiful this looks. So I'm just going to just kind of spread it. And just to show you guys a piece. Now we're ready to put everything together. So you're gonna need tongs because it's very hot. Just want a nice scoop. I think that's good. So once you drop it like this, you want to do a little twist. Just to keep everything there. Grab some nice pieces. So we're gonna go, since you're there, I'm gonna go on your side. 1. Just be gentle. 2, 3. And you can go 4 like that. So that looks good. As you can see, you just want to wipe up anything that's extra.